Okay, so we can start now. See, every one of you, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Okay, for Pega training. And my name is Harsha, and I have total around almost nearly 17 years of experience giving the Pega training, almost 16 years experience. Since I started working on Pega, after 1 year itself, I started giving Pega training. So I have delivered many trainings to even corporate companies and also trainings delivered to in the open market to the students like you, whoever is joining now. And we have I have delivered almost 600 plus batches so far, and the training duration now is 4 months. When I started training, it is just 15 days training those days, 16 years back. The duration has got increased as the subject is getting added as per the market requirements. Okay, and now see, what are you going to learn? Okay, today as day one, what are we going to look at? And what about tomorrow? And what about day after tomorrow? What are we going to look at? That's what I'm going to first give you an information. And I am also I'm very clear that I am not giving you time to talk to me. See, I will talk to you all personally on the phone call later. Okay, because this 1 hour time we want to utilize for subject point of view or information point of view, and about your introduction or your name, your details and all. You would have already told our employees, and we will collect all those details from you, and we will talk to each and everyone, okay, in person over the phone calls. If required, you can call me. I can give you my number also, my personal number here. And after the class, you can call me and discuss with me if you want to talk to me about anything related to career guidance. Generally, you know admin number, right? Admin number, okay, I'll write down here. Admin number is +919652532753. And Pega trainer number. Trainer number is this one, +91, this one. Okay, so this is admin number and this is trainer number. So for admin, you will be contacting regarding the course details, duration of the course, how many months, and what is the fees structure, how to make the fees payment, where to make the fees payment. Okay, and any such like what is the Pega software, how to download, where to download it from, how to install, installation instructions video. So all these kind of things you will always go to admin. And when you come to me, you will come to me only for career guidance. Okay, so for your career guidance, you can come to me and I will be happy to tell you or guide you about your career, whether you are a working employee or maybe you have gap after education, or you are a fresher graduate from BTech, maybe recent year pass out. So some career guidance, job opportunities related stuff, all that I will guide you based on your profile, and I will accordingly give you some information. Okay, and so today as a day one, see in this document I will share you. This document, whatever I am preparing here, this is called class running notes. This document I will give you, you can go through it. Okay, and anyhow I am going to cover all these things. And in this document I have mentioned day 3, and even day 2 also I would have mentioned. Day 2 is tomorrow, right? Okay, so today we are going to look at the day 1 part. Day 1, whatever is mentioned. See, day 1, day 2, day 3. These three are kind of informative plus informative sessions. Day 1 is a pretty general informative session. Okay, not technical at all. Completely, it is not technical. Day 2 is about Pega architecture, which is going to be informative 70% and 30% technical. Okay, BPM and Pega. And day 3 is going to be technical. Day 3 is where we log into Pega and we start creating application, and practicals and all will do. Okay, and I will take enough time to explain you everything before we proceed forward and get into the training program, to sort out all your queries and doubts. Most of your doubts and questions will be sorted out during this day, 3 days only. Okay, but still you want to talk to me, you can call me on my number and discuss with me. If I am not picking your call, maybe I will you can consider like I'm in the class, and you can leave a WhatsApp message if your call is not been answered. Leaving a WhatsApp message when your call is not being answered is very, very important to get a response back. Otherwise, in the missed call list, it will be going down. Okay. Okay. So just that is for your information. Let's go ahead and look at the things now. Okay. So demo day one. So it is an informative session. First, I will give you information about what is Pega and its purpose in the real world. So you are trying to learn here about Pega and all. So Pega course, but what is Pega and what is its purpose in the real world? See the one what you are seeing now on the browser, in the browser, this is called Pega tool. This is called Pega tool. Here you are seeing Pega Infinity, application name, Dev Studio, all this. No need to explain all these links, what are these and all that you will come to know soon. But the tool that you are seeing, the environment that you are seeing is called Pega tool. This tool purpose is to develop the applications. Generally, you can consider for your better understanding web applications. For example, to easily get and understand, grasp and understand, like application like Amazon.in. Not exactly, but you can develop application like Amazon.in, Flipkart, IRCTC, travel ticket booking application. These are the applications that you are really familiar at least once or twice in your day-to-day life. That's the reason why I'm mentioning these applications. If you want to develop applications using a technology, you can choose the technology as Pega, and Pega is a software development tool. Pega is a software development tool using which we can develop applications. And this tool is developed by a company called Pega Systems. There is a company called like Microsoft, IBM. We have a company called as Pega Systems. Pega Systems company CEO is Alan Trefler. He started developing this tool in 1983. 1983 means that time Java was not there. Java also was not there. In 1983, I will tell you history information later again, but so Alan Trefler is the person who is the CEO and founder of this company who started developing a tool for application development purpose. The tool name is Pega tool. Simply for now, I will tell you other names also later. Okay. So Pega is an application development tool using which you can develop applications. See, you might be getting a doubt. Why should I use Pega for application development? I have so many other technologies also available in the market. So many other technologies also available in the market. So I can use those technologies and develop applications. So why to use Pega? Purely Pega is no coding, no coding. Pega is no coding application development tool. So that's the biggest advantage of Pega. You need not to be a technical guy to work on Pega tool. So you can learn Pega tool easily when you focus on a learning part for 4 months, and day to day, whatever the tasks that are being given, if you are finishing and if you're going through the theory, it is dead easy. Students from any background, when I say education wise, any background, non-technical or technical background, and job working employee wise, non-technical employees or technical employees, technical working employees, anyone from any background can learn and work on Pega tool. That is possible because it doesn't require any technical knowledge and any technical coding, no syntaxes, nothing. So using Pega, when you develop applications, you know what? See, just let's take one application like Facebook application. Let's say, for example, you want to develop one application of Facebook where you want to go with Facebook registration form. What is that? Facebook registration. Let's go to Google. I'm sorry. Facebook sign up. Facebook sign up. So when you go to Facebook sign up, you see here in the Facebook sign up page that you are seeing, this is called as user interface. The screen is called as user interface. In programming language terminology, this screen is called as user interface. So using Pega, you can develop UI. You can design and develop the user interface. See, when I enter the data here and click on sign up, what will happen, internally a software program will run. In the backend, software program will run, which will collect all this data and store permanently into a database. Next time when I come to Facebook, I don't have to register again. Instead, I can log in directly. Log in. So typically in the web application development, there will be 3 layers. How many layers will be there? 3 layers of development will be there. First one, the layer that gets loaded into web browser is called user interface layer. Generally, to develop user interface layer, HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be used. And once you submit, the business logic means coding program will get executed. Typically, coding languages are Java, Python, C++, VB, this type of programming languages. And database can be any SQL database like DB2, IBM DB2, Oracle SQL, SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, like that, any database. Generally, as a developer, if you wanted to develop an application, user interface, business logic, and database layer, generally speaking, you should have to have the technical knowledge about HTML scripting, CSS scripting, Java scripting, and business logic wise, you need to learn either Java programming, Python programming, or any other programming languages. Database wise, you need to learn structured query language, how to write queries, joins, all that, when you are working in normal full stack technologies. But when you are learning and working on Pega in real world, you don't have to learn any of these courses. You don't have to learn any of these technologies. You don't even have to have the knowledge about any of these. Without knowing HTML scripting, Java scripting, without knowing any programming languages, without knowing any SQL queries, you will still be able to design and develop the UI. You will still be able to implement the business logic. You'll still be able to implement the database communication joins, everything you perform, but without the need of writing any queries, without the need of writing scripts, without the need of writing programming language programs, without the need of writing any queries. You will be able to develop the applications. That is the biggest advantage of using Pega tool. Pega is a no coding software development tool which provides a predefined drag and drop options to implement application functionalities like UI functional features, business logic functional features, and database functional features. In order to learn Pega, we don't need to have any prior knowledge on programming or scripting or queries. This is a brief idea about Pega tool as per no coding point of view. Are you clear? Any doubt so far? So far, any doubt? Only you need to ask me doubts or questions related to what we are discussing currently. And in between, you should not ask me any diversifying questions. Those you can personally ask me. Okay, next. Are you clear, every one of you? Any doubt, any question? Okay, see, it is always good that you at least respond yes or no or whatever it is. You are being given with 3 channels of communication. One is you can chat with me on the Zoom meeting. You have chatting option, right? You can leave a chatting message. Okay, you can leave a chatting message, okay, to me saying yes, I am clear, like that. Okay, no doubts, like that. Otherwise, you can unmute and quickly say I'm good, no doubts. You can use gestures, thumb symbol. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can raise hand raise symbol, you can use. Please respond, everyone. Are you clear so far? It's during the regular classes also, I will expect you guys to respond regularly. Please do that. Otherwise, I'll not come to know whether I have to proceed forward or I have to clarify something. Okay, everyone, it is a good practice that you always respond. Okay, now, good, very good. Thank you for responding, everyone. Okay, next step. See, your training is okay. Now, after this information about Pega as no coding, further details are very common formal details. Okay, so today is November 11th. Today is November 11th. Leave about the first 3 days, November 11, 12, 13, and even 14th is Friday. Saturday, Sunday, usually no class. Let's consider from 17th onwards. Okay, not like 17, 13 only. Consider 13 only. From November 13, December, Jan, February, March 13. March 15, your training will be completed. By March 15, your training will be completed. First day today, and daily classes are from Monday to Friday. Daily classes are from Monday to Friday. Okay, daily classes are from Monday to Friday. Everyone clear? So some information, some general information I am going to provide you. Apart from this, tomorrow I will tell you what is BPM, what is Pega tool, what is the BPM architecture, what is Pega architecture. In general, I will tell you tomorrow all the details. First, let me give you general information. General information to everyone. Okay, general information to everyone. Please follow me. So first day, our classes will be regularly from Monday to Friday. India timings. These timings are 8 a.m. 8 a.m. IST. And this is English batch. This is English batch. Okay. And the training duration is 4 months, and you will be finishing by March 15. March 15, 2026. You will be finishing your course. That will be the last day, considering we don't have any holidays and all in between. And you are going to learn on Pega version 8.7. And also we are going to look at Pega latest version of, whether by your time reaches it may be 24.2 or 25 version. See the difference between two versions. If you ask me simply, user interface development wise, there are differences, and that you will be learning. And in this course, you are going to learn about regular Pega development plus generative AI, Pega with the generative AI, and Constellation UI development and DX APIs with no extra cost. Whatever the course fees you pay, in that course fees, generally that course fee is only for Pega course. But for free of cost, additional 15 more days training we will give on latest Gen AI, Constellation UI development and DX APIs. Okay, everyone clear? To learn Pega, once again, no prior technical knowledge is required. Then what should be the education background? So of the student, the education background of student can be anything. See, you can be fresher of any degree except pharmaceutical background. Suppose you are a 2025 or 2024 pass out. I request you to be not a pharma candidate, because pharma direct fresher no one will take. Suppose if you put fake experience, suppose 4 years back you completed your pharma degree, either B pharmacy or M pharmacy, whatever it is, and you want to put some fake experience, add some experience as an IT experience guy, and get into IT job, you are eligible in such a manner. But directly as a fresher, pharmaceutical background is not allowed directly as a fresher. And fresher with any degree except pharma, and students who have gap after education 3 years to till 15 years. See, if you're falling into 1 year, 2 year, 3 year gap below 3 year, you can still apply as fresher, no problem. And from 3 years above and all, you can apply as an experienced resource. For that, how to put the experience documents and all, we will tell you. 5 years gap if you have, then we will be filling 5 years gap also by adding experience in place, and 4 years of Pega, 1 year of manual testing, like that we will add. Suppose if you have a 5+ years of gap, we will not be putting all the 5 years or 6 years, 7 years gap as Pega development. So we'll keep only 4 years Pega and 1 year manual testing. You will be given knowledge equivalent to 4 to 5 years. Even 6 years equivalent experience resource level of knowledge will be delivered to you through this training program. Okay, clear? So suppose if you are a working employee who is already working in non-IT and fill the non-IT as IT. So you can fill the non-IT experience as IT experience. I will tell you one example. Suppose you are working in a non-IT company. Let's say you are working for Sutherland Global non-IT you are working. Just example, take it. Okay. So non-IT job you are doing, but you can say I am working on Pega and IT domain in same company. You don't have to put the fake experience in such a situation. For example, you are working in Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio, you are working in telecommunication side, non-IT. In this case, you cannot show Reliance Jio as Pega experience. You have to take fake experience and fill the gap. Don't show that Reliance Jio and all. So based on which company you are working, even though it is non-IT job, based on which company you are working in, and based on that, I will suggest you to whether to take the experience documents, or the same experience you can convert to show as Pega experience and get into IT job for the people who are from non-IT to IT and already working in IT but non-Pega. Maybe you are working on testing, mainframes, .NET and other technologies, even not a development. Okay, then you can go ahead and say the same company experience and same projects experience as Pega experience. There is no need to just to take any experience documents in your case. Also, if you're already working employee into IT company, if you're already working employee into IT company, there is no need to take any experience documents. Understand? Clear, everyone? Just give me 1 minute. This is all informative session. Okay. For now, why it is like this? Okay, next. See, if you are already working as a Pega developer, there are some students who are already working as Pega developers, but they are working in support projects. They want to gain good knowledge. good knowledge. That's why today they are here. Okay. So that's the reason why they are here to learn much better. So they will be able to learn and get into IT job for sure. So if you are working in USA with 7+ years, yes, 5 years you can show on Pega and you can apply for the Pega job. No problem at all. Okay. And Pega developers, if you're already working on Pega, then it is very good. You can showcase that experience as Pega experience. Okay. I think I should have to do this. Give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, please. I will just make sure that this is having this number system. Why it is not taking numbers? I don't know. Okay. Okay. So here you go. Here, gap students. I'll write down gap and experience students. So this is for, that is for education background. Any degree is okay. Okay. See, if you are going to put experience and apply for the jobs, any degree is okay. Even from pharma degrees also okay. If you're going to showcase the experience. Okay. Next, see, the course duration daily is 1 hour. What time your session has started today? 8 o'clock sharp we have started. And one request to every one of you is, yes, you can show the experience and there will be calls. Don't worry about it. See, overall IT industry is down these days. That you know very well. Okay. So overall IT industry. In case of Pega, you know, the problem is we do not get skillful resources in the market. See, even though if you are a working employee who is working on Pega since past 3 to 4 years or 5 years, still you will not be able to learn Pega in a proper way. You do not understand the connectivity between the rules. That is a big deal when you are working on Pega projects. That you will come to know only when you are a Pega employee. Already, if you are working in Pega PRPC applications, you will come to know that. You will realize that. That's why already working employees also joining this training program. What is the reason? Because they will not be having any knowledge, much knowledge. They will have knowledge, but they will not have much knowledge and they do not understand connectivity between all the rules. In this course, you will be taught from scratch level, zero level, basic level to advanced level, including integrations, everything practically. Okay. Where you will be equivalent to 5 to 6 years of experience and resource, where you can crack any interview if you follow our process and attend the mock interviews, everything. Okay. Do the assignments and all. So that's the big deal. Getting a skillful person in Pega is very difficult. And salary packages wise, for Pega CSSA developer, for a fresher, from 3 lakhs to even till 11 lakhs, 15 lakhs also there, depends on company. And for experienced candidate with experience of 3 years, it is possible you can get 15 lakhs minimum package with an experience of keeping 3 years of experience and like that. And see, but only thing is one should fully focus on learning part. If you are learning, definitely you can get good knowledge. If you get good knowledge, you will be getting job for sure and you will be in for sure. But only thing is you need to make up your resume as per the requirement. Learn to the expert level and go into the market and apply. You will be able to crack it for sure. There's no doubt about it. Okay, clear everyone? Okay. Any doubt so far in this? Okay, good. So then you are going to attend daily session 1 hour time. 8 o'clock we will start sharp and 9 o'clock we will wind up. My request, sincere request to every one of you is, as our class is 8 o'clock, I request everyone you to be on the meeting by 7:58. I will open the meeting 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. I request every one of you, please connect by 7:58 and check whether you are able to hear me or not. That audio options and all you can check once. Okay, now that is really important. See, do not join at 8:58 and all. Generally, I won't wait for anyone. 8 o'clock means sharp on dot 8 o'clock. I will start the session. Today also, even though it is day one, I started at 8 o'clock. Just maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute delayed because it is day one. but every day I will start sharp 8 o'clock. First thing is punctuality. Okay, so make sure you connect by 7:58 and be ready, relax. 2 minutes you relax, we will start the session. 9 o'clock we'll wind up. 9 to 9:15, I'll give you time to ask me doubts. Okay, 9 o'clock after, I will give you time to ask me any doubts related to previous class or current class. Like that it will go. Please make sure you follow the process and please make sure that you are going to just be regular and on time. Okay. So, and what about the development duration? 4 months. 4 months is a learning duration. In these 4 months, so what are we going to work on? What are you going to learn? See, the course of Pega here is designed in such a way that from day one itself, we will work on projects. From day one itself, we'll be working on project. So day one means third day. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow itself, we'll start creating new application. So I told you, Pega is not like other technologies. You don't need too much of introduction before you begin. You just need an introduction about what is an application and all. Once the introduction is over, you can start with your hands-on. So learn something technical, do practical. Technical, practical. Technical, practical. Like that every day, theory, practical, theory, practical. So the practical that I am going to teach during the class, you don't have to do it parallelly. Please remember that parallelly, you don't have to do develop, because I will be sharing the necessary resources to do the practicals after the session is over. And while you are practicing at your free time in the day, we will be available to assist you. Okay, you can reach out to our mentor as well as me. Okay, so we are going to work on 4 real-time projects. Okay, real-time project, individually perform on real. So we are going to give you training to work on real-time project in such a way that you will be able to individually performing. So you can independently perform. You can independently perform in the real-time projects. That's what the knowledge we are going to perform in real-time projects. So real-time project approach only we are going to teach you, where you can develop your applications, work in the projects without taking anyone else's help. So total during the course, we have 4 projects that are being available. So one project I will teach you and I will do it. I will take the screenshots, and at the end of the class, I will share the documents as well as the video with you. Okay. After the class is over, take your free time and do the same requirement. Just after you understand it clearly once again, then do hands-on of repeatedly doing the same requirement at least once or twice. Apart from that, second project I will assign you after 2 weeks time. So there I will give you only requirements. Given you gain the knowledge by doing the project 1, you will be able to work on project 2 for sure. You will be able to work on project 2 for sure. So please make sure that you are going to do the daily practicals, whatever I am going to give you. It will not take more than 1 hour to 1.5 hours in a day. Anytime you can do, not only immediately after the class. After the class is over, you want to go to office and do it maybe in the evening time like that. But allocate 1 hour minimum at the beginning days, going forward 1.5 hour time, and allocate 1 hour minimum and do your job. Definitely you'll be able to gain good knowledge and you'll be able to get into Pega projects for sure. Okay, Pega projects. Okay. Everyone clear? Online students, are you clear so far? Only for Pega training, I am the only trainer. I will be training you for entire course. Okay, for Pega training, no other trainer for Pega course. Okay. And what about job opportunities? See, job opportunities wise in India, USA, Europe, Saudi, and Singapore, and even Canada, Australia. Okay, so in all these countries, you can find the job opportunities. All these countries, we have Pega projects and many clients are there. Okay, but the only thing is you need to be skillful, then you can crack any interview. See, in interviews, they will not be asking. Yes, if you are already, someone is asking, can I keep manual testing as experience for this? See, if you want to apply with experience for Pega role, you have to say, I am working on Pega. Suppose since past 4 years, you are working on testing. You convert that into Pega. 3 years I am working on Pega. 1 year I am working on testing. That's how you can convert and tell them. It will be okay, no problem. Almost all, everyone will be doing the same way. Okay. So that's what. Job opportunities wise, everywhere we have job opportunities. Only thing is you should be skillful. If you have skill, Then go through LinkedIn, go through respective job portals, post on LinkedIn the tasks that you are doing. Okay, this is the knowledge I have. You can showcase on the LinkedIn platform and say you are open to work. Definitely companies will reach out to you. You can also apply for the companies who are posting on the LinkedIn. And it is very important that you showcase your knowledge in the public domain. That is very really important. So you be active in the public domain, showcasing your knowledge, then definitely companies will be ready to hire you. Do not sit idle in your home and wait for the opportunity to be posted. Okay. And next, how AI is going to affect Pega. See, AI effect will be there, okay, but not on tools, but on the technologies. Technologies like Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, okay, VB, C Sharp. Technology coding wise, AI impact will be there, but tools wise, AI impact will be very limited for certain number of years. Minimum, it will take 15 years to 20 years time to for AI to take on the tools, and it will not take on tools anything. It is going to, I mean, like, it is easy for developers to create new tools. Okay, competition may increase, but tools will not go away in the market like Salesforce, ServiceNow, Pega, or any other tools that you are seeing in the market today. These tools will not be replaced entirely by AI. So these tools will be utilized along with UI. Okay, these tools will have AI features been added. That's what we have Pega AI. That also we are going to learn. AI effect on Pega developer job. So Pega has integrated AI to make the development faster. So this will not have any huge impact at all. Definitely, this is going to make the development much faster compared to today Pega PRPC environment. And that is really going to add a value to the tool. See, Pega tool is comparing to another tools in the market. Pega is like a ocean. It's a big tool. It's not so easy for anyone to develop because I told you at the beginning, right? 1983, it has been started. It's been almost 40 plus years. See, 40 years means how much you can develop. It's like a ocean once you go inside. But whatever we are going to learn, it is more than enough to crack any interviews in the real world to work on any real projects. Are you clear, every one of you so far? Any questions, any doubts? Yes, after completing this course, no need to take any help on job supports, no need to take any interview help and all. Still, if you want, I will arrange. That's not a big deal. But given you are a regular student and you are practicing daily and you give us mock interviews and take our inputs about your where to improve and all, you will be able to crack interviews just like that. Okay. And even while learning also, maybe if you have friends who are already working on Pega, or maybe in your connections, if you have someone working on Pega, whatever the topics you are learning and the development you are doing, just go and ask them, do you know this much level depth? You know this concept? They will say, no, I don't know this much depth. This is good. That's what the differentiation we are going to showcase. Okay. And what about the certifications? So Pega has some certifications to be done. See, these certification exams, whatever that are available, provided by Pega systems, these are mandatory. See, if you want to become a Pega developer, you have to be certified. So certification wise, you have to take on this certification part and you have to be certified Pega developer. Every one of you, minimum, you have to do CSSA certification where the certification cost will be around 7. See, the real cost with the GST in India will be 20,000 plus. If you look at it, $190 plus GST 18%, 20,000 plus. But we have some offers and we'll provide that examination tying up with some centers are there. They will provide you, our institute students, for less charges and pass guarantee for sure. You will be passing definitely. And this course will give you knowledge equivalent to CSA, CSSA, and even the development wise LSA level. Design wise, you need to still learn after joining the real-time project. The key three levels of certifications in Pega PRPC, Pega world, developer wise, CSA, CSSA. CSA stands for Certified System Architect. CSSA stands for Certified Senior System Architect. LSA stands for Lead System Architect. If you are going to achieve step by step, this is very easy. Don't bother. I am always there to help you. But you know what? The salary package for LSA in India is from the range of minimum 50 lakhs to 1 CR. Okay, per year. 50 lakhs is very minimum that an LSA can get. Okay, in Citibank, we have openings. Yesterday only I got call for LSA. Okay, they wanted to offer minimum 55 lakhs. Minimum 55 they want to offer. It depends on, already you are getting 60, 65 lakhs. They will offer even more. See, it is very difficult to find out skillful resources in Pega because the tool, whatever is available, if you are a candidate who joined a Pega project as a fresher, maybe from your college you are being hired and fresher, you will not be learning anything in Pega. If you're a candidate who is learning from Harsha Trainings, then you'll have good knowledge and you will be able to even enhance yourself in the knowledge wise and you can become LSA easily. That is a difficult path because the other resources, whatever is available in the market, those are not up to the mark. Okay. So there is no gap officially required between CSA and CSSA. You can do one exam today, another exam tomorrow, but for all of you, it is mandatory to complete CSA certification. Please make sure that it is mandatory to complete. Okay. So now from our point of view, our end, during the training and after the course, what do we provide? What do we here is Harsha Trainings. So what does Harsha Trainings provide? A student during and after the course. What does Harsha Trainings provide a student during and after the course? Okay, what do we provide? So this is what we are going to provide. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll have to properly arrange this. Okay, so first one, I'm going to talk now about what is the material that we provide, what are the resources that we provide, and what is the overall process that we follow. All that I'm going to tell you. But before we proceed forward, do you have any doubts or any questions before we get into that particular thing? Anyone can complete all the certifications after this course. Placement support we will be providing. For freshers, we will assist you showing the job opportunities. For experience also, we can show you job opportunities, but please make sure you pass through our mock interviews. We can show you job opportunities. I'm trying to, communicate with one company, which is an MNC level 5 company, to tie up with them, to collaborate with them for providing them resources. The talks are going on. If it is going to be successful, definitely that's a big milestone. We'll be able to place experience also so many candidates. You can do CSSA, no problem. No need to do CSA once again. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead now. So what does Harsha Trainings provide a student during the training program and after the training is completed? After the training is completed means maybe after a year also. Okay. Any placement support? Yes, placement support for USA people will be there for sure. Okay, but please make sure that you are going to apply it. Okay, like in the US job portals and the consultancies which I know also. I will tell you the consultancies that I know. Okay. Okay, clear everyone? Just give me 1 minute. Who is Pega course? Okay, so let's go ahead now. And so what is that material we'll provide? Class running notes. Class running notes looks like this. Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to show you class notes. Okay, previous batch class notes. This is how class notes day wise will be provided. Today also whatever is happening, that is class running notes only. Technically, diagrams or screenshots, diagrams of explanation, screenshot, written explanation, like class running notes will be there. And apart from class running notes is going to give you highlighted points about the topic that we are discussing on that particular day and diagrams. And apart from this, you know what? And here you go, these are theory documents. Topic wise theory documents are there. For every topic, detailed theory documents are available. I'll be sharing those. But in the detailed theory document, whatever the important summary points that I am going to draft in the class running notes. So I'm going to provide class running notes and topic wise theory documents and daily practical documents with screenshots. We do practicals, right? Some scenarios we will be implementing practically. Those practical documents also we will be providing you like this, and practical documents will have more screenshots of navigations about how to implement a business requirement. This will help you while you are practicing to implement the same business requirement. While you are practicing to implement the same requirement, these practical documents are going to really help you. And daily recorded video. So whatever the session that is happening now, it is being recorded. This recorded video will be provided. First 3 days videos we will upload in the open source YouTube and we'll share you. Every day will not upload. So next we will upload into Drive, and specifically we'll give access to the student who paid the fees and enrolled for the training program. During these 3 days you will be finishing that particular task, right? So the video view access will be there. Videos will be having only view access. Recorded video, only view access will be there. Documents can be downloaded. Videos can be watched till next 8 months. Today, day 1, let's say your course completed 4 months. So up to this 4 months, you'll have access. During the course duration of 4 months, you have access to videos. Plus additionally 4 more months access we will give you. That is more than enough for you to learn. And even more, like if you are a regular student and daily attending the training program, 90% attendance is there, and you have given all the mock interviews that we have, we will give a bonus 4 more months of access to watch the videos and refer the videos. That is really going to give you 1 year of access to the videos. And next, mock interviews we will be conducting every weekend, Friday, Saturday. Saturday is meant for working employees. Friday is for job seekers who are not working. Over the phone and over the face-to-face here in the class also, we can take if you want to come down. So understand clear everyone? Mock interviews will be completed. See today, from Monday to, okay, last week. This week, if you are giving, focus on last week topics. Okay, otherwise up to Tuesday or up to Wednesday, whatever we finish, till that topic you have to do work, give mock interview. And for mock interview, what questions they are going to ask, that also we will only give you. You don't have to worry about it, because the questions they won't ask you beginning randomly. So the interview questions also I will give you topic wise here. Answers you need to prepare. See, you are attending the training program, you are doing practical, right? It is easy to prepare answers. Prepare your own answer and give it. Topic wise, whatever the topics that are being done, up to that topic only they will ask you interview questions. Prepare on that and give the interview. It is good. Every day you go through theory part, do the practical, and also practice daily on the interview questions part also. Then that is really going to help you. Understand clear everyone? So next, so during the course or after the course, we will be available to assist you and help you in your resume preparation as per your profile. See, resume preparation will be proceeded like this. We have model resumes. We will give you. Okay. And before you start preparing resume, following the model resume, you talk to me. This is my experience, these many years, non-IT, IT gap, and I will guide you how many years Pega, how many years other technology, how to fill the gap, and what companies to take to put the experience and all. If you are a fresher, how to prepare a fresher resume. Taking my guidelines, you prepare the resume. I will tell you how to put the projects and all. Next, after you are done, you share it with me. I will review. And I will review. I will call you back and we will be sitting and reviewing and making the changes. And your resume is done. You can post in the job portals and you can share with me. I will also forward it. I'll give you many companies HR email IDs, direct email IDs and all latest ones, to whom you can directly share your resume also. Okay. So next, job references will be given. Students has to perform in the interview. If you are performing in interview, job references will be provided to you. Make sure that you are going to be ready and well prepared. Then we will refer you. In the mock interview, you will come to know. Without knowledge, if we refer a candidate, after taking interviews, they will call us back and say, you wasted our time giving this resource. You don't know that he or she doesn't have a knowledge. So doesn't have enough knowledge. So we will assess you before you send your profile. If you feel you are up to the mark, definitely you will be able to crack the interview and we will be sharing your profile. You will be getting the job for sure. Okay. And for filling the gap with experience, documentation help will be provided. Means there are some companies who are going to give you experience documents and we will help you with that trusted sources to take the experience documents, and also certification clearance help. If you want to clear the certification and also interview help, everything will be provided. But only thing is, I want you to be regularly attending the training program and practicing daily. Definitely you will be able to crack and achieve your dream job for sure. There are many people who have got their career molded into a best out of best way after learning Pega. Only thing is you have to learn and you have to perform. That's very, very important. Okay. See, if you are a person who is attending interviews since many years and you're not cracking means that's your problem. There are many students along with you who have got jobs. Okay. And let's go ahead now. And here you go now. See, communication wise, this is only for freshers, not for everyone. We have some communication sessions that may be conducted. I will update you further. You can attend those communication classes also for free of cost. That is again depends. We will see and update you. And what you will be getting course completion certificate we will provide you. And if you are a graduate fresher, we will give you 6 months of internship certificate, making you one project here. 4 months of duration plus additionally one more project we will make you to do, and total 6 months internship certificate we will provide to any one of you. If you are a working employee, there is no use. If you are a fresher, it will be used, and we are going to provide you this from our company, which is NASSCOM registered company. Okay, we are already NASSCOM registered our company, and also we are ISO certified. So let me finish these things. The classes will be conducted online as well as offline mode of training. Okay, offline means the classroom is in Hyderabad. So anyone can come down to classroom at any point of time. And online means you are attending now. See, a student who is joining online training, if they wish to convert themselves into classroom anytime, they can convert. And a classroom student vice versa. And a student who wants to come down here and directly give interviews also, they can give. And student, if they wanted to attend online, offline, 1 week online, 1 week offline as per their convenience, still the hybrid mode like that also allowed. Okay. And how do we provide the support? For providing support during your practice, okay, we request you to install a software called Ultra Viewer, which is a free software. So Ultra Viewer is a free software which is easy for screen sharing and giving access to control your system. Our team is going to take the control and solve the issue and explain you where the issue is, why the issue is coming and all. Okay, are you clear so far, every one of you? Any doubts so far? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Pega Systems Development End User Guide is available. Okay. Pega Systems End User Guide is available. See, there is a website called pdn.pega.com. So for developers point of view, pdn.pega.com. There is a website. Actually, learning from this website also possible, but it is difficult. Maybe if you are already a Pega employee, you know that it is very difficult to understand the terminology and learning the things from PDN website. It will help you only when you are knowledgeable. Already you are knowledgeable, it will help you. So now what about Pega software for practicing purpose? If you want to learn and practice Pega, then what about software? See, our team is going to share you Pega software. So they will share you one link to download the Pega software. See, today after the class, let me tell you. Today after this class, in an hour, so you will receive a WhatsApp message, okay, with all below details. What are the details you will be receiving? You know, first one, Pega software download link. See, one thing is instructions video, instructions video, and in this video you can ignore. So it was being told that you can download the software from some website means Harsha Trainings website. It is not there now. That's the reason why software download link we are providing separately, and installation video, and also FAQ document. So I told you not today who are eligible and all. FAQ document, otherwise this document itself will help you. So installation video, and moreover we will share you details about what else. Yeah, first these two, if I remember. Okay, class notes, the document which you are seeing now, this document from your WhatsApp, you send it to your email, and open in your laptop so that you can clearly see all these things. And so regularly we don't share on WhatsApp. You will be given access to certain repository after the enrollments are done. So now, so here you go now. If you want to install Pega software, what are the system requirements? So please listen to me carefully. It is only Windows operating system where you can install Pega. Strictly Mac OS is not supported. Mac, Ubuntu not supported. Strictly Windows operating system is the only one on which you can install Pega. So still you can send a chat message to me. Okay. People can send a chatting message to me. No problem. It is, you can chat with host. Okay. And Windows operating system, any processor, and 4 GB to 8 GB RAM is good. And 20 GB free space should be there in hard disk or SSD. See, the students who are purchasing new laptop, for you recommendation is purchase only Intel processor with 8 GB RAM and only SSD. Don't purchase with hard disk. Don't purchase with what is the other processor? AMD. Don't purchase AMD. Don't purchase hard disk. If you are buying a new laptop, my suggestion is purchase 8 GB RAM, SSD. Don't go for, and also Intel processor only. Don't go for AMD processor. Don't go for hard disk configuration. Okay. Pega 24.2. So Pega cloud environment. Pega cloud environment. So Pega cloud environment is available, on which we will work on Pega latest version. Pega latest version of software will not be available to download. So up to 8.7 version it is available. Most of the projects are running on 8.5, 8.3, 8.4, 8.7 like that. And latest version of 24 also you will be able to work on. We'll be learning it on the cloud environment. And last point, I request all of you to save this number 9652532753. I request every one of you to save this number in your phone, WhatsApp phone, and please make sure that only the people who have saved this number will receive WhatsApp updates. And today morning, you might have received an update from us about class is going to begin in 5 minutes like that. If you have already received that message, daily you will get updates. No need to bother about it. No need to worry about it. Okay. But if you are a student, to you, a meeting link is shared by your friend. Okay. Like that. Maybe you don't have communication with our admins. So I request you guys to save admin number in your WhatsApp phone only, so that you will receive all the details we are sending. Those who are saving now, already saved, already getting updates, ignore. Those who are saving now, just immediately leave a WhatsApp message mentioning your name and attended Pega Demo Day 1. If you send a message like this, they will understand that you are not receiving updates so far, and they will include you into broadcast and send you a message. This is really important if you want to receive updates from us, otherwise your wish. Okay. And the already you are receiving updates, no need. Then trainer number. Trainer number is the below one. Okay. You have to reach out to the trainer only for one aspect, that is mainly career guidance related. And during the training program, when we started, you need to reach out to the trainer for the doubts clarification and all. Okay. Before that, anything else, you always contact the admin. And my available timings to talk to you all guys is generally afternoon 1:30 p.m. to night 9 p.m. IST. And the packages wise, I already told you, this is not required here. Okay. And so class notes and this recorded video also we will share you after uploading into YouTube. Course content also we will share you. So what we will share you, he's been written here now. Class running notes, and moreover recorded video we will upload into YouTube for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and we will share you. And course content document we will share you. And yes, that's it. Okay, these are the things we are going to share you after today's class. Please make sure you check your WhatsApp. Okay, and this will be covered tomorrow. I will mention here like next class tomorrow. For next class also same meeting link. For tomorrow also same meeting link. You will not receive any new meeting link. Maybe same link they will share again. Okay, so this meeting link First 3 days, same meeting link. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also, same meeting link. You don't have to look for a new meeting link to be shared with you. Understand clear, everyone? Yeah, we will teach you course on the latest version also. See, for the latest version and 8.7 version, there is no difference except UI. Complete user interface, I will teach you on both versions, because if you're going to join Pega project, you 95% you will work on whatever the version I am going to teach you plus previous versions only. Only 5% chances are there you will be working on latest version of Pega. That also I will teach you. You can work on any version. Okay. Okay. Do you have any further doubts or queries? You can reach out to me and you can ask me. No worries. Okay. I have provided you my number also in this document. Suppose if you want to save right away, take your phone and save my number right away. Everyone, you can save my number right away, but please make sure when you are saving in the phone, don't get confused between two numbers. This is like Pega admin number, Pega trainer number. Like that, you can give the name Pega admin number, Pega trainer number, so that you will reach out to the correct right person. Otherwise, if you reach out to me for software download link, I will tell you to reach out to admin, and again you have to go then, and it's like time waste process for you. Students from USA, you add +91 and then 888626619. Okay, please make sure that you attend day 2. Tomorrow session is very, very important. Every point that we are going to discuss in tomorrow's session will be covered during the training program. Every point, including architecture, everything. Tomorrow will be the real session where you will have, or you will get a clear idea about what is BPM, what is BPM architecture, what are the components of BPM architecture, what is Pega, why Pega is called BPM tool, and what are the architectural components of Pega tool. Tomorrow's session is going to be a roadmap kind of thing for you for next 4 months. Okay. So I know that I did not give time to you to talk to me, that I clearly know. Okay. But as I have provided you my number, you can call me and discuss with me between 11 a.m. to 12 o'clock morning time. 11 to 12 again, I have another session. I will be busy. Okay. If I do not pick your call, immediately do this. Send a WhatsApp message on that number to me, mentioning your name and you wanted to talk to me regarding so and so. Then I will reply you on WhatsApp, plus I will call you back and discuss with you. Okay.
Yes,
If
sure,
you are
sure,
from
sure.
USA, I will talk to you maybe evening 8 o'clock India time. Like that, I will call you. That will be your morning time and convenient time for you as well as me. Okay. I know I did not give you time to talk to me today. Today is not an interact. Day 3 will be interactive session. Every day it should be interactive session. Today is an informative session. Okay. And doubts and all, you call me and ask. Okay. Any other doubts? Any other questions about what we have discussed? Only to the up to the points we have discussed. Are you clear? Every one of you, please respond on the charting window. Are you clear so far, everyone?
Yeah, Harsha, yeah, good. Thank you. Thank you.
I have given the full information to every one of you. Okay. So thank you very much. And we will continue tomorrow. Just wait. Yes, yes. Everyone is telling. Yes, good, good. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow to discuss about most important points about Pega PRPC. Okay. This one. Okay. Like BPM Pega. Okay. Tomorrow you'll come to know what is PRPC, what is Pega BPM. All this clear cut information you will be coming to know. Tomorrow session is going to be really a good session and it is going to give you good knowledge. Okay.
Yeah,
You can
hope so.
wind up
Thank
for,
you.
yes, please. You can wind up for today. We'll continue tomorrow. See, 9 o'clock we are closing. 8 o'clock we have opened the meeting. Morning 4 o'clock you received an update about tomorrow's session, right? That time I wake up. Regularly I wake up at 3:30 like that. Okay. After wake up, I'll send you a message at 4 o'clock. Okay. India time. So I request every one of you, please follow the WhatsApp for further updates and join daily without missing the training sessions. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I'm going to
Yeah,
close the
sure.
meeting. Thank you for
Yeah,
joining.
thank
Call
you,
me.
Harsha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.